Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about the process management. What is process management? Process management is nothing but it is a program execution. A program is more than one program code, which is sometimes known as text section. It include the current activity as represented by the value of the program counter and the content of the processor registers. A process generally also include the process tag, which contains temporary data such as function parameter, return address, and local variables, and data section which contains global variables. Next one, process state. Process state is nothing but as the process execute, it changes state. The state of the process is defined in part by the current activity of the process. A process may be in one of the following states. First one, new. The process is being created. Next one, running. Running is nothing but instruction are being executed. Next one, waiting. Waiting is nothing but process is waiting for some event to occur, such as an input output devices, completion or reception of signals. Next one, ready state. Ready state is nothing but the process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. Next one, terminate. Terminate is nothing but the process has been finished executions. Next one, process life cycle. When a process is executed, it passes through different states. The stages may differ in different operating systems, and the names of these states are also not standardized. In general, a process can have one of the following 5 states at a time. First one, state 1, start. This is the initial state when the process is first started or created. Next one, ready state. The process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. Ready processor are waiting to have the processor allocated to them by operating system so that they have a run. Process may come into this state after the started state while running it become but interrupt the scheduler to assign the CPU to some other process. Next one, running. Once the process has been assigned to a processor by the operating system scheduler, the process state is set to running and the processor execute its instructions. Next one, waiting state. Waiting state is nothing but process move into the waiting state if it need to wait for resources such as waiting for user input or waiting for the file to become available. Next one, terminate or exist. Once the process finishes its execution or it is terminated by the operating system, it is moved to the terminated state when it waits to be removed from a main memory. Next one, process control block BCP. Process control block is the data structure maintained by the operating system for every process. Process control block is identified by an integer process. It is nothing but PID, processor ID. The process state, the current state of the process, that is whether it is ready, running, waiting, or whatever the process privileges. This is required to allow, disallow access to system resources. Next one, process ID. Unique identification for each process in the operating system. Next one, pointer. Pointer is a parent process. Program counter. Program counter is a pointer to the address of the next instruction to be executed for this process. Next one, CPU registers. Various CPU registers per process need to be stored for a execution for the running state. CPU scheduling information, process priority and other scheduling information which is required to schedule the process. Next one, memory management information. This includes the information of the page table, memory, limits, segment table depending on the memory used by the operating system. Next one, accounting information. This includes the amount of CPU used for the process execution, time limits, execution ID, etc. Next one, input output status information. This includes the list of input output devices allocated to the process. Next, next Next one, process scheduling algorithm. Process scheduler schedule different process to be assigned to the CPU, central process unit, based on the particular scheduling algorithm. There are six popular processor scheduling algorithm which are going to discuss this chapter. First one, first come first serve, FCFS scheduling algorithm, shortest job next SJN scheduling algorithm, priority scheduling algorithm, shortest remaining time, and then round robin scheduling algorithm. Last one, multiple level quotient queue scheduling algorithm. This algorithm either non-primitive or primitive. Non-primitive algorithms are designed so that once process enter in the running state, it cannot be prompt until the completes it allotted time, whereas the preempt scheduling is based on the priority, where scheduler may preempt a lower priority running process any time when a higher priority process enter into the ready state. Thank you.